how to link Square appointments. How to link Square appointments to Google Calendar. So this is a simple and easy guide on how to link Square appointments to Google Calendar. So first, you have to log into your Squarespace and go to your website. And basically, if you go to your website, you should see this calendar option right here. But this is what your calendar looks like. And if you have added an appointment right here, and if you want to connect your appointment to your Google Calendar, what you're going to do is you just have to simply scroll down. On the left side, you have to look for Sync with Calendars, and you can just easily connect your appointment, your calendar here from Squarespace to your Google Calendar. Here's the thing, this one is not for free. So if you want to sync all your appointments, your schedules, and your calendars here on your Squarespace, you have to upgrade your plan. Okay, so before it was for free, it was free, but now they have this kind of rule that you need to upgrade your plan in order for you to sync your Squarespace appointment to Google Calendar. And aside from that, also there are features here that you cannot use if you don't upgrade your plan. But basically, that's it. Just go to your website, go to the left side, look for Sync with Calendars, and then connect your Google Calendar. Thank you so much for watching, and see you again in our next video tutorials.